God, you're louder than that. Magnify God. Let him today hear you say something. Leka lera akuwulireko. Osirika nnyo mbu tomanyi kusaba, oba tomanyi mugambe enzuuno njigiriza. Don't keep your mouth shut in the presence of God. Worship God. Give him the worship he deserves. Come on, don't get tired. yourself handing your life to Jesus. You have to see yourself hand that depression to God. You have to see yourself hand that worry and anxiety to God. That fatigue you've carried for this whole year, you have got to see yourself give it to God. Amalalera. Profit me, oh God, if I gain this whole world and lose you. This is why it is upon me to give you my life, with nobody forcing me, oh God. Ngatawali ankasemba y'obulamu wange nga sadaka, leko okwagala kwo kukolebwa eri obulamu bwange. balina emitima egijjudde ebituli, ensi yakoze ebintu. Omusajja wamwagala nakuzaalamu abaana nakusuula. I need ushers to be on alert because God is moving. There is a young woman over there. That young woman needs to be tended to. I hear brokenness. God is putting you back together. Mukama alina omuvubuka gw'assa obujja. Muyimirire mabega w'omukyalo oyo agenda kugwa. I hear the word confusion, and God is saying, give me your mind. Let me put you in order. When you're 12 and you've started cutting yourself, God says, give me your mind. I am There are people I see, knees that are tired. You're the anchor in your family and you're tired. I hear God resting your mind, young woman. Oh, father of that family, you don't know what tomorrow looks like, but God says, I have your back. Freedom, freedom, freedom for somebody. Freedom, freedom, freedom in the name of Jesus. I hear the fire of God breaking chains. My God, this is all I have, my worship. I can't fight the law. I can't fight the father of my children, but I can worship